girls. How is everyone doing? All right, I know you're saying, why am I sitting here looking at some smoked turkey necks? Okay, Mrs. O is, I'm just doing a concoction of what I got a taste for. So here I have 2.5 smoked turkey necks, and I'm going to try to make a stew with it. You know me, I just think of stuff. All right, so I'm going to add a can of cream of celery soup. I'm going to chop this onion up, can you see it, and put it in there. We're going to need black pepper. We're going to need garlic powder. I'm going to do 1 russet potato that I'm going to also add in there. And I have a few black-eyed peas left that I am going to add in. Maybe a half a cup of black-eyed peas. So this is just a concoction that I'm just doing. You know how you just get in the kitchen and whatever's in the refrigerator, you just put it together. All right, I'm going to let the turkey necks get tender first before I add anything else in there. I'm going to add the onions, but as far as the potato, the cream of celery, the turkey necks have to be tender before we do that. All right, Mrs. O just want to say hi, and I'm cooking up some type of concoction. Okay, you guys, you see how the liquid has reduced down. I also added a little Maggi chicken flavored bouillon, maybe a half a teaspoon. And I know you guys are saying, why don't you get an Instant Pot? I know, but years ago when I was young, I know they're not the same. I seen a pressure cooker blow up, and it has just really scared me to get any type of equipment that has pressure on it. So Miss O is just going the old-fashioned way, let it boil down, get tender. Now maybe in the near future I might get the nerves up to order a, what is it called, Instant Pot. But until then, we're cooking it slowly down. So I'm gonna say in another 45 minutes, we'll go ahead and add the potatoes and the black-eyed peas. Then we'll get this baby rolling. Okay, Royal Family, the turkey necks are tender. I've added what little black-eyed peas I had. I'm gonna say probably 1/3 of a cup. Now I'm going to add the potatoes. This is 1 large russet potato. And we're going to cook this until the potatoes and the black-eyed peas are tender. Then I will add the cream of celery soup last to give me a thickening. Man, the broth on this is some kind of awesome. I also found some chicken broth that I had. I didn't think I had any, and I added about a half a cup to this. So when I come back, the potatoes will be tender and the black-eyed peas done. Then we'll add the cream of celery soup. Okay, Royal Family, the potatoes are nice and tender. The black-eyed peas are done. And I've added only a half a can of cream of celery soup. So when I come back, you guys will see the finish and final presentation of the smoked turkey potato soup. That's what I'm going to call it. All right, see you right back. All right, Royal Family, here is the finished product and presentation of the smothered potatoes with smoked turkey neck meat and green onions. You guys, this recipe, I'm sorry, I'm a little sleepy. This recipe is so amazing. I love how the potatoes are smothered in the cream of celery soup. And then I took some of the turkey meat and just chopped it up throughout. You guys really have to try this. Very easy and very cheap dish. You can do one potato. What I fix will feed about 3 to 4 people. But anyway, you guys, hope you have an amazing week. And thank you guys for watching my videos. If you like my content, please share, subscribe, and leave me a comment below. But Mrs. O will be back in a couple of days. And oh yeah, we're going to do something sweet. Time for that sweet tooth again. All right, you guys take care. Please go check out my son, That Boy Can Cook. And just remember, whatever you do, always put God first. Love you guys, and see you again this week.